Namaste, bonjour and hola you lovely people. Hope everyone is safe and in good health. I am Avneet Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm in such a good mood today that I felt like exchanging pleasantries in 3 different languages. You all must be wondering what's up with Avneet, right? Well, let me tell you that my skin has been feeling really amazing these past few days and I'm feeling so good about myself. Isn't that wonderful? I totally believe that we all should pamper ourselves by taking good care of our skin and take care of our overall well-being in general. Feeling good about yourself and just your skin as well is absolutely important. If you look good, you feel good, and my secret to feeling amazing and being in a good mood the past few days is salicylic acid, which is the #1 ingredient for crystal clear skin. Just have a look at my skin, people. Beautiful, isn't it? I am pretty sure you all must have heard about salicylic acid, which is also known as BHA, quite a few times in my videos. I keep talking and stressing about salicylic acid because it is actually a very important contributor towards an excellent looking and youthful skin. It is extremely essential that all of us add products with salicylic acid to our skincare routine. Now, why do you think that I keep speaking about this so much? 1. Because it is the ingredient that is scientifically #1. And 2, it's simply the best hero ingredient. Salicylic acid is an active that has the ability and potential to exfoliate the top layer of the skin and purify pores, and not just this, but it also removes dead skin cells effortlessly. Apart from exfoliation, it penetrates deep into the skin and plays a vital role in unclogging the pores, reducing sebum secretion, redness of the skin, and breaking down pimples and even acne. Guess what else is the best part about including salicylic acid in your skincare routine? This helps in preventing breakouts and even blackheads, which in turn improves the appearance of the skin. This is why salicylic acid has been in the talks among customers. It offers a variety of benefits and it appeals to everyone who uses it. Adding salicylic acid to my skincare routine has been the best decision that I've made. My skin is crystal clear, looks youthful, and above all, I am so happy with the way my skin feels. With all the makeup that I have to do for my shoots and shows, this hero of an ingredient has truly appealed to me. God, I am so thankful for this wonderful discovery. Here is my advice and suggestion to everyone with an oily skin who also have acne-prone skin. Please make sure you include salicylic acid in your skincare regime. It will do wonders. And it's not just that I would recommend you use salicylic acid, it is also dermatologically tested. So now I am pretty sure you all are waiting for me to talk about the product. I have full faith on it, right? So I use the one that is introduced in the market very recently, the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. I have been using the Crystal Clear range by L'Oreal Paris for a very long time as a part of my skincare routine. And this one is the latest addition to the existing range of products by L'Oreal. Well, what do I say? This one is just magical and I love it. I was and I am super happy with the Crystal Micro Essence by L'Oreal and I was looking forward for the launch of this product. Now that it is finally out, I would totally recommend you all to get this or place an order right away and use it. Trust me guys, you won't be disappointed at all. You have my word. The wow factor of L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence is salicylic acid, and there are no other major salicylic acid creams available in the market currently, which was another reason why I was so excited about the launch. So I have been using the Crystal Micro Essence for over a year now, and I have been super satisfied and happy with the results. I know you will love it too when you use the product. The Crystal Gel Cream penetrates up to 10 layers deep, deeply refines, purifies and minimizes pores for crystal clear skin. And also, it controls the production of oil on skin for up to 8 hours. L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream works on a water-based, oil-free formula that locks in moisture without building up excess oil that eventually leads to breakouts. The one thing I have noticed is that it is lightweight and it feels super comfortable on the skin. The texture of my skin feels smooth and of course amazing. I'll give you all a little insight on pores in our skin and little about sebum too. Sebum is a word everyone uses, but most don't know about. Those dots you see on your skin, the tiny holes, they are called pores. The pores release sweat and sebum. Your body's natural oil is known as sebum. And oily skin is more prone to getting acne, and so the cream is designed in a way that will benefit and suit people with oily skin. So now I'm going to show you how I use the Crystal Micro Essence and the Crystal Gel Cream. They both work wonders. You all must definitely try it. So to begin with, I am first going to wash my face to get rid of all the dirt. Now I'm going to take the L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence, which is my absolute favorite and I have been using for quite some time. I have taken about 3 to 4 drops of Crystal Micro Essence and I usually just dab it in on my face, just like that. Next, I will take the Crystal Gel Cream by L'Oreal Paris and massage it all over my face. The cream is free from parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes and non-comedogenic, which is a definite bonus. So I apply the cream in circular motion, mostly because it increases the blood circulation. You all must know that both the products I am showing you right now are clinically and dermatologically tested. The Micro Essence and the Crystal Gel Cream are validated and endorsed by renowned and experienced award-winning consultant, dermatologist, Dr. Ophelia. To tell you a little about Dr. Ophelia, she has expertise in general and cosmetic dermatology. Dr. Ophelia combines her in-depth understanding of skin and hair with the most advanced cosmetic treatments to achieve a natural and youthful appearance for her patients. I would totally recommend L'Oreal Paris Crystal Micro Essence and the Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream to all those lovely ladies who want to have a crystal clear, glowing and youthful skin just like mine. The Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream is available in 2 sizes, 15 ml and 50 ml. Please check the links in the description box below for more details about the product. So thank you so much guys, this was it for today. This is your girl Avneet signing off and I hope that you enjoyed this video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Love you guys, bye bye.